this very exciting review, Traffic 5 is a training program that reveals 5 methods for anyone new, seasoned or complete pro can use to get thousands of fresh leads and buyers to any offer, 365 days of the year, 24 hours a day. We're going to take a look at this new product by Kevin Fahey called Traffic 5, but before we get started I'd like for you to go ahead and click the like button below, and subscribe to my channel. It will help me out a great deal if you would do so, and then you would be notified each time I review a new review video. What if all your traffic problems were solved? Now, I'm not talking about some social sharing crap software. I'm not talking about cheap safe lists or low quality solo ads. I'm talking about a consistent flow of buyers, not just leads. Buyers which produce 47% plus open rates. Buyers which will win you affiliate contests. Buyers which will knock each other over to purchase your product. Not sure about that, but trust me, these methods produce the highest quality leads that you'll find online. Here's the best part. Most of the methods are 100% free. The doors to the all-new Traffic 5 training program are open, and it's a dime sale. This could be one of the biggest life-changing products you'll find online. Okay, and I'll let you go ahead and watch the video that he presents here.
Let me save you a decade of your life and help you get life-changing results with online marketing faster than you ever thought possible. The things I'm about to share with you took me 14 years to figure out, but I'm going to reveal it to you in the next couple of minutes. Hey, Kevin Fahey here. We consistently hear marketers talk about high converting funnels, irresistible offers and high quality products. We always hear them say, oh, just focus on building a high converting capture page and the traffic will come. Oh, just put together an awesome offer for your affiliate promotions, add a bonus and the traffic will come. Or just focus on creating a high quality product that solves people's problems and the traffic will come. And you listen. You go and build a high converting landing page. You put together an amazing affiliate promotion, you put the work in and create some awesome custom bonuses, you build the most amazing product that helps solve the biggest problems people have, and then you wait for the traffic to start flooding into your funnels and offers. But it never does. And there you are yet again, just sitting there scratching your head wondering what went wrong. Does that sound familiar? Have you ever thought to yourself, oh, if I could just have a consistent stream of high quality traffic full of people who are ready to whip out their credit cards and buy, my business would be set. See, almost over a decade ago when I started my business, I knew I could help a lot of marketers with my products and help them grow their businesses. The problem was I needed the traffic. I knew that I would launch my own product, I would need to have a stream of customers ready to whip out their credit card and purchase it. And every day after that, I would have to make sure I kept new customers coming back and the old customers coming back. To be able to do that, I had to learn how to generate traffic from multiple different sources. I couldn't rely on Facebook or just on affiliates. I needed to find a way to do things differently. Over the years, I tested literally every strategy there is under the sun. If there was a new trend or a fad, I tested it. If someone recommended me a strategy, I tested it. And most of the time, most strategies didn't work. But from time to time, I would come across a strategy that would work extremely well. And over the years, those strategies started to compound on each other. Each strategy would help me tap into a new stream of high quality traffic. And if consistent high quality traffic seemed like a far-fetched dream before, it started becoming so much more real with every new strategy being added to our toolkit. And because of Traffic 5 strategies, we now get thousands of visitors to our offers and funnels every week. Over 551,088 visitors to one of our sites. And while that's a huge amount of traffic, I know you're probably wondering, alright Kevin, anyone can drive massive amounts of traffic to landing pages and offers, but is the traffic any good? Well, I'll let you decide for yourself. Here are some of the numbers that will help you understand how good the quality of the traffic actually is. $37,523.89 in the past 30 days alone. $878,629.87 with just one network. And keep in mind, we not only use these traffic generation strategies to sell our own products, we use the same strategies to fill all our funnels, as well as to build email lists, run affiliate promotions, sell high ticket products, and promote CPA offers. You name it. Here's another example of just my affiliate promotions that all generated multiple thousands of dollars, all thanks to these traffic generation strategies. $134,344 with just one network. Now, let me ask you a question. What would happen in your business if you had that many targeted customers coming to your funnels each month? As I was implementing all of the traffic generation strategies in my business, I had a light bulb moment and decided to put them together in the open to help other marketers who are desperately struggling with traffic. These strategies are very simple yet super powerful. They do not require you to have any technical skills or marketing experience whatsoever, and I promise you, it's like nothing you've ever seen. But the absolute best part is, these strategies allow you to flood your funnels and your offers with high quality traffic that will take full control of your business, allowing you to decide how much money you want to make. In other words, what you'll discover inside will change everything for you, your business, your income, and your life. Introducing Traffic 5. If you're tired of wasting your time and money on methods and strategies that never seem to work, today you'll be able to get your hands on 5 powerful traffic generation strategies that will allow you to control your traffic and therefore allow you to control how much money you make. Inside, you'll get access to step-by-step training that shows you everything I do to generate thousands of visitors per week and turn them into cold hard cash in my bank account, following my 5 unique traffic generation strategies that have been proven to work over and over again. And when you get this now, I'm also going to include a real life case study that will show you exactly what I do, how I think, and the steps I take when implementing Traffic 5 strategies. This case study makes it easier for you to follow along, implement the Traffic 5 strategies to a T, and get results fast for yourself. So here are just some of the things you'll discover inside Traffic 5. My 5 unique and bulletproof strategies I use every single month to flood my funnels and offers with thousands of visitors and generate thousands of dollars in online sales. Why these strategies are different than anything you've tried or seen before, and the simple steps to follow to unlock the secrets of traffic generation to build a real lifestyle business you desire. Besides, I'm going to make this deal even more sweeter by giving you access to some exclusive bonuses valued at over $500 in real market value for free when you get going right now. For a limited time, you can get your hands on the Traffic 5 at a massive discount. To lock in your discount, all you have to do is click the button below. Now, look, I've been building online businesses for over 14 years. I've seen and tried a lot of different traffic strategies over the years, and over the past few months I was able to break it all down to a complete science and create a proven traffic generation blueprint that anyone can follow, and I decided to reveal it all in this training. Now, I don't want to toot my own horn, but what I have put together here blows every other little traffic generation tactic and strategy right out of the water. Just imagine being able to drive thousands of visitors every week to your offers and funnels. These are life-changing results. Look, Traffic 5 strategies are extremely powerful, and I honestly believe that it will finally help you get the results online that you truly desire. In fact, I'm so sure of this, I'm going to take away all the risk by giving you a full 14 days so that you can test drive this system for yourself. If for any reason you don't think it is worth many times your investment, just send me an email and I'll give you a quick refund. Look, you know this works. I've shown you the results the system generates. I've shown you the value. I've made it a no-brainer offer by giving you a no questions asked money back guarantee and added bonuses that are worth over $500 in real market value. All that's left for you to do is click the button below this video right now. Seriously. It's decision time. You're at the crossroads right now, and the way I see it, you really have 2 different options. Your first option is do nothing, close this page without getting access to the Traffic 5 and stay exactly where you are right now. But this only makes sense if you already have a massive list, your funnels and offers are flooded with leads, and you already have a thriving business. If that's you, then maybe you don't need Traffic 5, even though it will still help you. But if you're not the person I described, building a business and generating traffic is a drag for you, then you should seriously consider taking the second option. Just say yes right now. Click the button below before life gets in the way and get access to the exact traffic generation blueprint and strategies that are responsible for driving thousands of high quality visitors every week, building a multi-7-figure online business and generating millions of dollars in sales. But please don't wait. The price is going up with every sale, and if you wait and come back later, you'll end up paying much more for this money making system. So click the button below now and lock in your copy, bonuses and